Welcome to our new audiobook. Today we will discuss about the how will make the good carrier in the life, if you will all the 6 steps you can make definitely your life. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki is a financial mindset book that contrasts 2 approaches to money. One focused on job security and income, Poor Dad, and the other on financial literacy, assets, and wealth building, Rich Dad. Its deep message is that wealth comes not from how much you earn, but from how well you understand and manage money. Core philosophy. The rich don't work for money. Instead of trading time for wages, they build assets that generate passive income. Financial literacy matters more than income. Knowing the difference between assets and liabilities is the foundation of wealth. Wealth equals assets generating cash flow. True wealth is when your assets produce enough income to cover expenses, freeing you from dependence on a paycheck. Key lessons from the book. Stop working solely for money. Fear and greed trap people in the rat race. Pay yourself first. Invest in assets before spending on liabilities. Understand assets versus liabilities. Assets, investments, businesses, real estate, intellectual property, liabilities, mortgages, car loans, credit card debt. Many mistakenly treat liabilities as assets, keeping them financially stuck. Mindset over income. Poor Dad emphasizes education, degrees, and job stability. Rich Dad emphasizes financial intelligence, risk-taking, and entrepreneurship. The power of corporations. Rich Dad teaches how corporations protect wealth through tax advantages. Poor Dad pays taxes first, then spends what's left. Rich Dad invests first, then pays taxes strategically. Work to learn, not just to earn. Acquire skills in sales, marketing, investing, and leadership. Diversified skills create opportunities beyond traditional employment. Overcome fear and take risks. Fear of losing money keeps people from investing. Rich Dad encourages embracing mistakes as learning opportunities. Practical applications. Invest in assets early. Even small investments compound over time. Develop financial IQ. Read, learn, and understand how money flows. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Don't increase liabilities as income grows. Think long-term. Wealth is built over decades, not overnight. Risks and criticisms. Some argue the book oversimplifies complex financial realities. It doesn't provide detailed investment strategies, only mindset shifts. Critics note that not everyone can or should pursue entrepreneurship. Stability also has value. Conclusion. Rich Dad Poor Dad is less about technical finance and more about changing how you think about money. Its deep lesson is that financial independence comes from building assets, mastering financial literacy, and breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. If you will follow